In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image zoom in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to adjust how your product images behave when customers click or hover over them, so you can create a shopping experience that feels just right for your store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Online Store. Click on that. This will open the section where your themes are managed. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme listed. To the right of your current theme, click on the button that allows you to edit your theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually customize your store. Inside the theme editor, look toward the top of the screen for the page selector. This is usually set to Home Page by default. Click on this selector to open the drop-down menu. From the list of page types, choose Products, and then select Default Product. This switches the preview on the right side so you can see and edit the layout for your product pages specifically. Now that you're viewing the default product page in the editor, look at the left-hand panel, which shows the different sections that make up this page. Find the section labeled Product Information and click on it. This is where you can adjust various settings related to how your product details and media are displayed. Within the product information settings, scroll until you find the area related to media. In this media section, look for a setting called Zoom. Next to the Zoom label, you'll see a drop-down box. Click on that drop-down and you'll see 3 different zoom options you can choose from. The first option is Open Lightbox. With this option, when a customer clicks on a product image, it will open in a larger overlay or full view mode, making it easier to see finer details. The second option is Click and Hover. If you choose this, clicking on the image will zoom in, and as the customer moves their mouse around, the view will adjust based on where they're hovering. The third option is No Zoom. This disables zoom completely, so clicking or hovering won't enlarge the image. You can test each of these options in the preview on the right side to see which one feels best for your store and your products. Once you've decided which zoom behavior you like, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This will apply your changes to all products using the default product template. And that's it. Your Shopify product image zoom is now updated.